Hello guys, in this part we'll learn more about strings in C#. Strings are used for storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. I create a string txt and assign it to hello guys. So, a string length. A string in C# is actually an object which contain properties and methods that can perform certain operations on strings. For example, the length of a string can be found with the length property. Example, console.writeLine, the length of the txt string is txt.length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Control F5 and the length of the txt string is 10. There are many string methods available. For example, toUpper and toLower, which returns a copy of the string converted to uppercase or lowercase. For example, console.writeLine txt.toUpper and console.writeLine txt.toLower. Control F5 and hello guys uppercase, hello guys lowercase. A string concatenation. The plus operator can be used between strings to combine them. This is called concatenation. For example, a string first name equal John and a string last name equal Boy and a string full name equal first name plus empty space and plus last name. Console.writeLine full name. Control F5 John space and do it. You can also the string.concat method to concatenate two strings. For example, a string full name equal a string.concat first name and last name and a space. Control F5 and John Doe. A string interpolation. Another option of a string concatenation is a string interpolation, which substitutes values of variables into placeholders in a string. Note that you don't have to worry about the spaces like the with concatenation. So a string full name is $sign and two double quotes. My full name is first name space and last name. Control F5. My full name is John Doe. So plus operator and concat method and a string interpolation. Next, access strings. A string interpolation in here. Access a string. You can access the characters in a string by referring to its index number inside square brackets. Example, my string equal hello guys, and console.writeLine my string 0 index, Control F5 and H. String indexes start with 0, this is, and this is the first character, and the 1 is second character, and etc. Console.writeLine my string 1 index, Control F5 and E, the second. If I print the my string with index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we have a space, Control F5 and empty. You can also find the index position of a specific character in a string by using the index of method. For example, console.writeLine my string dot index of E. We should use 1, Control F5 and 1. Another useful method is substring, which extracts the characters from a string starting from the specified character position or index and returns a new string. This method is often used together with index of to get the specific character position. For example, a string name equal John Doe and int char position equal name dot index of D, and a string first name equal name dot substring from 0 to char position. I comment the first name and last name. So, and a string last name equal name dot substring char position to end, and console.writeLine first name, console.writeLine last name, Control F5, John Doe, John with a space in here. For remove the space, we should -1 char position and Control F5, and we don't have a space. So, special characters. Because strings must be written within quotes, C# will misunderstand this string and generate an error. A string text equal var, the so-called Vikings from the north, and we have an error. The solution to avoid this problem is used backslash space character. We should put backslash in here and in here, and the error solved. The backslash x space character turns a special characters into a string characters. This equal this, and this, in here equal this, and in here, and this equal this. console dot write line text and control F5. We have two double quotes and we don't have error. The sequence 2 backslash insert a single backslash in a string. For example, string text equal the character is called backslash. This is equal this. Control F5 and we have one backslash. Adding numbers and strings. If you add two numbers, the results will be a number. For example, int x equal 10, int y equal 10, and int z equal x plus y. And console.writeLine z. Control F5 and 20. But if we have a string ten and 10, we have 10 10. Sorry, we should a string in here and control F5 10 10.